So your girlfriend, it's a Filipina?
Yeah.
Okay, so
You should visit the Philippines.
yeah.
We're going there in
When do you gonna go into the Philippines?
January 1st.
January 1st?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, New Year's.
That's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
That's
my
she is pretty. Wow. Just like how old is she?
52.
Your girlfriend is 52 years old?
Yep.
She's pretty.
It doesn't look
52.
like her age.
Yeah, she's pretty. Yeah.
She looks
That's
good.
my buddy.
Alright you guys, ang current location natin, nandito tayo ngayon sa St. Laurent, Quebec. Meron tayong isang kababayan dito na nakipag-meet up sa atin. Ilocano rin to eh. Lakay! Kumusta? Ay, apo! Nangay! Nay! Ay, nya datay niyang awit mo ya. Ay, Nix, suman si ka. Apo.
Nung frozen na ito eh.
Ngayon, mamali, pabaralat na. Salamat ha, umikahat yung sikat lang.
Buring siya lang.
Okay, sarado pa lang. Alam na ta kami, tagkapitan dyan yung nagtitrack ta. Patang ta di, mag-usap tayo sa loob ng truck. Ilocano rin to, pero magtagalog tayo kasi ang dami nagre-reklamo.
Hello, hello.
Hindi daw nila maintindihan yung salita na hindi salita eh. Kaya sabi ko magtagalog na nga lang tayo.
Si Mike po ito, from Magandang, Pangasinan. Wait, tatak mo ah.
Sumampa ka na lang dyan, Lakay. Tara. Oh. Salamat Lakay sa iyong ibinigay na suman.
Umirenda.
Pang merienda guys ha, may merienda tayo.
Galing Ate Brenda, Alcala.
Alcala. Ay, mayroong kang may dumating na taga ano?
Oo, yung mga kaibigan natin dito.
Sarado natin na medyo mahangin eh. Yung mga likabok.
May truck mo.
Eh, magtiyag-tiyagaan na
Kamusta ang biyahe?
Okay lang Lakay, nasayat. Thank you guys ha, maraming salamat kay kaibigan, kay Lakay. Katayin mo Lakay.
Mike.
Lakay Mike, mayroon siyang suman galing Alcala, Pangasinan. Shout out kay kanina
Kay
nagdesisyon
Ate Brenda.
Shout out kay Ate Brenda. Yan.
Brenda.
Kasama natin si Lakay Mike.
Opo.
Yan.
Dito kami sa Montreal.
Dito tayo sa Montreal. Kumusta?
Okay lang. Kumusta ang biyahe?
Ito okay lang. Ano ka ba nga? Nagta-truck driver ka rin?
Ay, hindi.
Okay, kala ko.
Yung pinsan ko nagka-truck driver, nawili ako sa mga video mo.
So ibig sabihin sa vlog natin
Sa YouTube vlogs mo.
eksakto naman sa Facebook, madalas kasi akong sa Facebook. Nakita siguro tayo ni Lakay. Yun. Nag-message siya sa akin nung kaya
Monday. Nung
Tama.
Monday kasi napanood ko yung episode mo na sinasabi mong pupunta ka ng Nova Scotia ulit.
Oo, pabalik ulit tayo ng Nova Scotia.
I thought baka dumaan ka rito. So
Yun, ito talaga yung way. Pero nung pagpunta ko doon sa kabila, yung auto run 20. Sabi niya yung doon, yung sa GPS ko kasi iniiwas niya yata ako sa matraffic. Pagka dito kasi matraffic guys once again, nandito tayo sa Kabika. Kasama natin si Lakay Mike. Thank you sa
St. Laurent.
Yeah, St. Laurent, Quebec. Thank you sa ito matutuwa si Macy's dito. Uwi ko to pre. Freezer ko.
Pang painit ka naman yan
pagka kakain lang ako ng dalawa.
Actually, meron rin akong buro. Mga mangkal buro?
Buro.
Oo, buro. Kaya lang,
Di mo din?
masarap naubos ko na.
Okay lang. Marami pang pagkakataon next time pagka
Next time ulit. Gawa rin natin Brenda yun.
So, paano yan na kanina kausap ko na si Lakay. Ang sabi, si Mrs. mo nasa trabaho.
Sa work.
Sa work.
Nasa work.
Buti nung
Saka nasa work pa rin ako that time kaya hindi ako makakaalis.
Okay. So at least kahit paano wala ka ng ano ngayon.
Tapos na, tinapos ko muna.
Ilang taon na kayo dito, Lakay?
Ako since 2009.
Ay, mas matagal kayo kaysa sa amin. Ako 2000 ano lang ako. 2000 ang tawag nito, 2013 kami ni Mrs. din dumating dito sa awa ni Lord. Eksakto, sabi ko, ma-interview rin kita sana. So, siyempre galing basic, paano ba kayo nakarating dito sa Canada?
Si Mrs. muna nauna.
Si Mrs. muna. So para
2005 nawala siya, tapos sumunod ako 2009.
So parang landed immigrant na talaga kayo dito. Wala ka bang balak mag-truck driver?
Maliit pa yung bata
Ay, meron pa kayong maliit. 8 years old pa.
Mahirap pang
Si Mrs. mo ba? Ano bang trabaho ni Mrs. dito?
Ito rin, malapit dito. So dito kasi yung parang technopark ng Montreal.
Techno. Parang ano ba siya? Yung nagtatrabaho sa factory? Okay. Kumbaga sa Philippines, meron yata yung sa Cavite. Ano bang klase ng...
EPSA ba yun?
EPSA, yung parang ganon.
Ganun. Dito yun, lugar nito. Marami rin Pinoy rito sa Montreal.
Marami akong mga kaklase nandito Nung high school, mga kabats ko, shoutout nga pala yung mga kabats ko nandito. Nakalimutan ko na yung mga apelyido. Pero pag kinik ko doon sa group chat namin yung parang 98 alumni, parang meron mga ganun Kaya ayun, maaalala pa rin.
Pero mga kamag-anak ko nasa Winnipeg sila.
So kailan? Pero nakapasyal ka sa Winnipeg?
Hindi pa.
Hindi mo pa nasulat? Wala kang balak?
Next summer siguro.
Pagka nandun ka, sabihin mo lang. Para pagka ako naman ang malay mo, pagka ilang araw kayo, tama-tama.
May pinsan naman, nagtra-truck driving rin. Yan naman na ng mga anak.
Pinsan mo. Pero one day, balak mo rin ba?
Pwede rin.
Oo naman.
Gandang...
Pagka okay na yung
kasi yung mahirap kasi sa truck driving, sinasabi nila, yung palagi yung wala sa bahay.
Yun talaga. Katulad ko, kita mo naman, ilang araw ako sa karsada.
Palagi yung wala sa bahay, hindi mo maantabayanan yung mga bata.
Yun daw.
Pero may technology na ngayon Pwede rin.
May mga video call na. Yun lang ang downside guys ng pagiging tracking lalo na kapag ka long haul. Siyempre katulad nyo, alam nyo naman guys, tayo long haul truck driver tayo. At ang biyahe natin kung saan umaabot ako minsan ng 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks pa minsan bago makakauwi. Yun talaga ang downside ng pagiging long haul truck driver. Pero meron ding mga city driver. Pwede
meron.
Pagka option mo rin naman yun kung gusto mo mag city driver, marami kang mapapasukan dito city driver.
Kaya lang pag dito ka sa Quebec, required to mag French.
Ganun ba?
Yun ang alam ko. Yun ang sinasabi sa akin ng
English.
Pwede rin naman, kaya lang
bas nila yung marami talaga rito yung yung hindi marunong talaga mag-English pa kakamo na mga French talaga Katulad kaganina nung pinuntahan ko, pinagpikapan yung una, hindi ko maintindihan yung sinasabi. Siguro nararamdaman na lang niya siguro na first time ko pumunta sa lugar na yun at kailangan kong tanungin ko saan yung shipping. Kaya tinuturo lang niya. Kasi tinignan niya yung cellphone. Ganun lang niya yun sa cellphone niya. Here, pati nga yung salitang here, hindi ko alam kung English nga yun o baka French din yan. Sabi ko nga sa
marami mga Pinoy maalis dito. Kasi si French, yun ang rito. Yun ang hirap dito sa province ng Quebec.
Pero kumusta naman ang dito, Lakay? Dito sa Quebec yung cost of living. Mapag-usapan lang natin.
Cost of living is okay.
Okay naman. Ilan ang tax nyo rito? Ilan ang tax? Meron pa federal, may government, meron din gano'n?
May I think 18%, I don't know.
Mga gano'n.
Mataas ang tax.
Yung bahay, ang bahay dito, ang renta ng isang, let's say, sabihin natin 1 bedroom, kamo na lang.
2 bedrooms is around 1,000 average.
Mura na, 2 bedroom, 1,000 average. Aba, di mas mahal pa pala sa Winnipeg kasi
Balita ko mas mahal doon.
Oh. Lalo na papunta pang BC. O
Yeah.
lalo na pag nasa Ontario ka pala,
Yeah.
mas mahal sa Ontario.
Mahal dito sa Ontario.
Oo. So ibig sabihin, mas mura yung cost of living ng konti rito sa Quebec.
Yeah.
Kalahin mo, 2 bedroom, 1,000 average, nandun na ranging 1,000 to 1,200. Yan sa Ontario, malamang may nasa 2,500, 2,700, 2 bedroom lang yun.
Kahit saan ka naman cost of living is in relation to what? Yung sahod mo, kung malaki sahod mo, di sigurado mataas na yung cost of living ng lugar na pinuntahan mo.
Yung katulad sa British Columbia.
Yeah.
Mataas ang cost of living nila doon. Ang per hour nila doon, service crew ko lang doon, nasa 30, 40 hours. Pero ang bayad ng bahay mo pero doon, ang mahal. Pati gasolina, ang taas doon guys. Kaya ang hirap. Ewan ko, bakit gano'n? Luxury province nga doon eh.
At the end of the day, pag ano mo yung math, parang mas maigi pa rin dito.
Dito, oo. Hindi, yung kagandahan kasi kung saan ka naka-establish na,
Yeah.
pwede ka na rin kasing mag-stay doon eh. Minsan kasi kapag pupunta ka pa sa kabila, hindi mo alam kung ano nga abutan mo ron eh. Kung mamaya alating ka pa doon, di ba?
Balita ko rin marami ring mga kababayan natin na lumipat tapos bumalik rin dito.
Oo,
Kasi tawag rito yung cost of living mo.
cost of living. Anong trabaho mo dito, Lakay?
Nasa IKEA ako.
IKEA? Okay, sa furniture?
Furniture.
Okay, meron din IKEA sa Winnipeg eh.
Yeah, meron.
Nagkalat din. Ganda rin yun. Tapos si misis mo nagtatrabaho sa isang
Nagawa sila ng mga wirings ng bus.
electronics. Ilan na pala anak nyo?
Isa, 8 years old.
Bata pa. Mukhang bata ka pa yata
Lakay yun ah.
Lakay ka na ba?
Na kung nabuhay yung pangalan namin.
Meron.
21 years old na siya.
Meron pa lang sorry to hear that. Paano naman eh?
At least nakahabol yung isa.
At least kahit paano 8 years old, lalaki.
Gusto ko sumama eh.
Hindi mo sinama,
may assignment pang ginagawa.
Assignment pa nga, marami pong pagkakataon din naman. Malay mo next time. Ano bang ano nito?
Hello.
Kasi ano to eh, nagtatagalog yan eh. Kanina ko pa binablog yan eh. Hello!
How are you?
Good. No, they're almost got you done.
Okay.
But you're probably finish tomorrow or something, right?
What do you want to do?
You're loading here tomorrow, right? You're reloading?
I'm not sure if I'm reloading.
Oh?
There's a guy that coming in here.
Oh, is there?
There's another one guy that coming in here.
Oh,
Okay. They only told me to come here to
To
this one.
unload.
To unload
Oh,
and
okay.
unreload? Or is
I don't know. I don't know if you're reloading.
so what is it?
Is he almost done?
I just asked them, I said, is he reloading? They said, not, I don't know, not tonight anyways. I didn't know if you, because we load Turk
Yeah.
usually every week.
Yeah.
But there's one here, so I don't know if they're loading two or I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, I saw another trailer back there.
But that's the different. Matagal na yun. But there's a guy that coming in here.
No?
Yes, I thought they are going to reload me here too.
They might. Well, yeah, I just asked you that. Are you loading here? And you said, I don't know.
I have to double check with my dispatch. Give me a second, I'll call.
Well, I don't know. Whatever.
Sigurado.
I'm just asking you.
Yeah.
You.
Me?
Oh, don't say that because you'll be saying that to Turk.
No, it's okay. So your girlfriend, it's a Filipina?
Yeah.
Okay, so
You should visit the Philippines.
yeah.
We're going there in
When do you gonna go into the Philippines?
January 1st
January 1st?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, New Year's.
to Naga City.
Okay.
Naga City. Oh, Naga. In
And
Naga
then
City, okay.
10 days there, and then we're gonna probably go over to Cebu or whatever. Or
Oh.
Mobile or
But have you been there before?
no.
No.
I met her.
So
in
when next
Calgary.
week? I mean next month?
No, in January.
Oh, on January.
January, we're going for a month.
Oh wow.
You might not want to come back.
What's that?
You might not want to come
I
back
never
here.
want to come back here. I hate Canada.
You're gonna save a lot of money because there's a lot of like a view in there in the Philippines that you wanna go through.
My kid was over there for 5 months.
Oh yeah?
Oh,
All
really?
over Asia.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
He went.
He stayed in the Philippines for how long though?
He was over there. See, there's my girlfriend.
That's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
That's
That's my
she is
buddy.
pretty. Oh, just like how old is she?
52.
Your girlfriend is 52 years old?
Yep.
Really?
She's
It
pretty.
doesn't look
52.
like her age.
Yeah, she's pretty. Yeah.
She looks
That's
good
my
for
buddy
52.
this way. Yeah.
That's why that you have to love her, man, because it's Filipina.
Or
You
else
cannot find.
no more adobo for
Yeah, or else no more adobo. Or dinakdakan daw.
you. Or Bicol Express.
What kind of food did you eat? What kind of food he cooked for you, man?
What do you think? Chicken and rice, that's all you guys eat? No.
No, there's a lot. Vegetable too.
Yeah, I know.
Dinding.
I'll show
No,
you.
she's from Bicol, so manghang.
Oh, Bicol. Yeah, there's
She likes spicy food, huh?
spicy. That's a lot.
No?
I'm trying to find. Oh, there's my boy when he went on the trip.
Oh, beautiful places.
Oh wow.
That's not in
What
the
is that?
Philippines.
No, some of them were over in Vietnam and Thailand, and
I think that's in
Filipina
I'll show you
girlfriend.
where. So
Oh,
we
she's
met that girl over there.
He's with her
So there's
friends.
the Philippines right there.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, let me see. Oh yeah, that's the Philippines. That's the what you call that?
apartment. type.
Apartment in the Philippines. Let me see again. Apartment in the Philippines, guys. You see the apartment in the Philippines?
Yeah, that's
Parang
in the Philippines. I
ano,
guess.
cemetery.
Beautiful.
I don't know if that's in Thailand. So this is the Philippines. These guys had their own private little
Right.
Yeah.
spot. Well, and then he went and got it
That's your son?
tattooed.
Meron ano, ewan ko, wait,
Can
isa
you go
pa.
back?
Isa pa
that's
ito.
in, Thailand.
Yeah, he went and got. Look at this.
Kasi ano pa.
Oh yeah. Oh nice.
I said, "What did you? How do you know what it said?" It might have said you're gay or whatever, eh?
You might gonna shout out your girlfriend in here. Shout out to your girlfriend.
That's beautiful.
Look at it.
So you never been in Philippines, eh?
No.
No. This is your first time.
Mabuhay, Philippines!
Mabuhay Philippines. Yeah, he is excited, guys. What's your name?
Bob.
Bob. Bob is excited going into the Philippines, guys.
Mine is
Yeah.
Mike and
Sino ba namang hindi excited kasing uuwi ng Pilipinas kung
it's beautiful.
ganyan?
That's in Vietnam.
And there.
So isang buwan
So
daw
there
sila
he was
doon.
renting
A
bikes,
bike.
Where is that?
scooters or whatever.
Oh nice.
I think that was in, I don't know.
that should be in Vietnam.
That's in the Vietnam?
He went to Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Singapore.
Wow. Your kid?
Yeah. That was Thailand when I think when he first got there.
Was he backpacking or
Yeah, him and his buddy.
beautiful?
And they were staying in hostels everywhere.
That's
Okay.
a lot of...
Well, he was over there for 5 months.
Right.
When do you gonna go
Look,
into
there he
Thailand?
Where was
Harap
that?
naman lang sana.
I don't know. Could be in the
Yeah, in
Philippines.
Philippines, yeah. That's his
You know,
Philippines.
it's a typical Filipino.
So
scenery.
there's the Philippines, because he's, see the local kids?
Yeah.
beautiful, man.
Yeah.
So how long will you stay there for?
So these guys told him about this private. I want to find that's in Mobile.
Wow, yeah, that's
Mobile
nice.
or whatever?
Oh, guys, tignan nga natin itong ano. Tikman natin.
Mobile, the other side, or
Mobile.
south of Cebu.
Right.
Mobile.
Davao.
Look at that.
Davao, yeah.
And you'll see
Look at them
there for
going.
a while.
That was the Philippines going over the cliff.
Beautiful.
Eh, ba,
And I said, look at that
Okay.
friggin' roof.
Sige,
It's all
sige.
free.
Parang ka.
Do you wanna try this? Get
No.
coming from Philippines.
What is it?
It's a kangkanin. Ano bang tawag dyan?
It's suma.
Suman?
Look at it. And that was the Philippines.
You wanna eat kangkanin?
Where is, no.
This
I've
is
ate.
no. This is like some kind of a
Rice cake.
rice cake.
Oh.
We call this kangkanin.
Yeah.
Do you wanna kangkanin?
Let me see how.
Suman.
I'll show my.
Mainit,
Let's see it. Hold it
bumara.
up. I'll take a picture of it. Show my girlfriend.
Yeah, this one, yeah. Take a picture. Tell to her watch my video when I upload this, okay? Lakay tracker. So that you can see it.
No, Sira Ulo.
Sira ulo. Sira ulo. Your girlfriend is teaching you bad words. That's not good.
No.
Sira ulo. No.
So I just know like.
Here, look. This is the channel. Tell to her what's the vlog. You are in the camera. You are now celebrity.
Hey, are they done? Okay, so just pull out. Probably go around and park out front,
And
Kakaalis ka.
and then they'll probably load you later or something. They're still
Oh,
waiting for freight. You're empty now.
yeah, I'm empty now. Okay.
You're empty.
Okay, so just gonna come back.
I'll see what they want done.
Sige, ikot tayo sa
Oo. Ang birang, hirap nga akong umatras dito dahil ganitong sitwasyon. Awas bandang uli, ganun. Pag-aantay, nakala ko, luludan na nila ako eh.
Dapat iluludan na kaagad eh. Nandiyan na eh.
Kulang pa daw yung freight, baka hindi pa siguro ano. Baka mag-stay na lang ako dito, tanong sabihin ko nga sa kanila Lakay, kaya
Sige.
pwede na ako
Baba na
mag-stay rito. Oh, sige. Ito yung suman.
Sige ka na muna.
Ikaste mo na yung Lakay.
Ha?
Ikaste mo. Ikaste mo, one guide mo. Dita. Lumipat kami guys kasi bukas pa yung aking reload. Interviewin ulit natin yung puti. Tell to the camera what did you like with the Filipina? Why you like Filipina? Because she cook a lot.
Lots of rice.
They make you fat.
Yeah.
Healthy.
Healthy.
Big healthy.
So what kind of food did you eat since you've been your girlfriend? How long you been?
What's your
she
favorite?
makes everything.
What's your favorite Filipino dish?
That she cook.
She makes a lot of chicken
Adobo.
dishes,
You know adobo? Adobo.
right? I don't know.
She know that. Adobo, chicken.
No, she makes chicken and pastas and everything. Rice, different dishes, mixes it all up.
Dinakdakan. Sisig. Did you never try this?
No.
Dinardaraan.
Tell to her because I have a lot of friends of white people also that they have a girlfriend or wife Filipina, they cook sisig. She know how to cook that.
No, I don't know.
I've never been to Calgary, but is there a lot of Asian groceries there?
Oh,
Yeah.
They're pretty too. We're pretty. Filipino guys, we're pretty. Alright,
yeah. I gotta go have a shower.
You?
Yeah.
Even
I've been
me?
doing pickups all day.
Well, I'm not.
Why do you need a shower? There's a shower here.
Do a shower there? No, I'm
They
good.
don't normally let people, but I'll tell them to let you use it.
No, I'm good. I'm not gonna use their shower. I'm good.
You can go for days without showering. You're in the truck.
2 days.
2 days.
2 days max. Come on.
Yeah,
Even during
sometimes for me 3 days.
What?
As long as I
Dirty trucker, eh?
no, it's not. As long as I brush my teeth, I change clothes.
2 days.
But you have a nice truck.
Yeah, it's a Peterbilt.
The camion in French.
The yellow one, his truck.
It's
Nice.
blinking at you. Watch.
Where?
Oh, there it is.
There you
Oh
go.
yeah, you have
Fancy,
a
fancy.
remote, eh? That's good.
Yeah, it lights up all underneath at night.
Is it your own truck or
Oh,
what?
yeah. No, it's mine.
Yeah.
$250,000.
Yeah. How
See that engine
kilometer?
on the side of it? $15,000 for that little generator that's running
Which one?
on the side.
APU.
The one that's in the like.
Behind my gas tank. It's APU.
Oh.
It's got
Okay.
air conditioning, heating, generator.
Did you put just right now or already been put before?
No, I put it on like a year ago.
Because
Oh.
there is a
So it's not part of the truck when you.
No, you gotta buy that separate.
But there is a program right now that you're gonna build that the government will giving you that. Right now,
Oh,
I heard.
Not that I know.
15,000.
Yun, mahal yung EPU. Yung parang aircon yun, Lakay. Wala sa akin yan eh. So even your truck is off. The EPU is working with cooling and heating system.
Right. I have a separate engine heater and a bunk heater on top of that. So if that fails, I have another engine heater that runs on diesel, and I have a bunk heater that runs on the battery.
But the APU runs on that.
No, that runs on diesel.
EPU, yeah.
It's like a generator.
I see.
Yeah, it's just like me.
It runs on diesel.
I only have like something like that.
Separate storage or tank for that.
No, it sucks it out of the big tanks.
Oh,
So when it's minus 30 or whatever, I don't have to run my truck. I just turn that on, and it circulates.
The bunk heater?
No, that generator.
You have the mine is I only have like a bunk heater.
I have a bunk heater and an engine heater and a generator.
Yeah, engine heater and you have generator. Me,
So
I
if
don't
one
have that.
breaks down, I have a backup plan.
so you're saying you
Yeah.
wanna save money.
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna go check all of your truck. Truck niya to guys, dilaw. No, don't worry about dirty. We even my truck is also dirty. Ikutan lang natin itong classic na Peterbilt guys. Classic dilawan. Oh, yung EPU niya. Sabi. Harley Davidson, may motor ko siguro. Ito yung makina. Why is it is not shutting off your EP generator?
Because it reached the room temperature.
Oh, okay.
See, I even ordered it with an 18-speed automatic.
Oh, it's a 18. Is this automatic or
Automatic.
18 speed automatic?
Yeah.
It's a lot of button in there. Hopefully, if I can.
See, if you look underneath, it lights up like a Christmas tree underneath, eh?
I know.
Outside,
So how many? 500. This is
578,000.
how long? How this truck? How old is this?
2021.
Oh, is it 578 only? Mine is 2022. Model. I only have
See,
like
if you
almost
look
6.
outside underneath, this way I'll turn the key on. Then you'll
Okay, let's see.
At
Let's see.
nighttime,
Let's see.
You turn it off?
at nighttime, I got all the lights underneath.
Oh yeah. Did you install this or it's already come with the when you get the truck?
No, I put that all on.
You put by yourself?
See, everything lights up.
Oh yeah. See?
And
Hopefully.
then you put the lights under the bunk, so at night when it's dark,
Are you guys hiring also? You guys hiring also a driver?
I have Filipino drivers.
They hire a Filipino driver too. Yeah, well, let's check out. Hopefully guys, my next truck is like this. I want
Put
it.
all the lights up on in the visor.
Ay, ang laking truck ah.
It's nice when it's shiny, but
Yeah, well, it's
and you
cause
know what I'm doing next 2 weeks?
yeah,
I'm getting the tanks done like the fenders, so that
you're putting everything in there, eh?
they'll be like granite crystal metallic, like the fuel tanks are built.
Guys, look at this truck, man. Bata pa. 500 ano pa lang ito? 576,000 kilometer lang ang tinakbo niya. Classic. What do you call this truck? Classic truck? What is
5
it?
years and I'm moving to the Philippines. I'm gonna retire there.
You wanna retire in Philippines?
Stay there for good.
That's if my kasintahan don't get sick of me. I'll have to find a new one.
Oh, your kasintahan?
I'll have to get a new one if she gets sick.
See, he said he has a kasintahan, girlfriend in English, kasintahan in Tagalog.
What do you call it?
Kasintahan, girlfriend in English, nobia, kasintahan, yeah, kasintahan.
Oh, well, she told me that's how.
Yeah, kasintahan, may kasintahan, girlfriend, that's what you call it. But anyway, I'm just gonna cut this video vlog now because I almost ran out of SD card now. So can you say something good word to the driver now?
Paalam.
Paalam, is it paalam? Alright you guys, Lakay. So, pakata tayo ng tanim, may ibus nga talaga na jig ko na doon yan. Until next time guys, thank you for watching. Once again, it's Lakay here. Sama natin sila kay Mike.
Regards kay Marcel and Sander.
Oh, yan. Shout out sa inyong lahat.
Say mabuhay, Philippines.
Say mabuhay!
Mabuhay, Philippines.
Mabuhay Philippines. Okay guys, peace up. Until next time, bye-bye.
Lakay Pinoy Tracker.